Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how we can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now, before I get started, I'm gonna quickly mention a couple of things. This is a continuation of basically right after I did a hard reset of the device through recovery mode, which would obviously lock the device. Now, the reason I'm mentioning this is because normally I would be showing you the locked screen where it's telling me to verify the Google account or the previously used screen lock, which I will not do so right now. But the previous method of unlocking the device was a pattern, and this is the only method that was previously set on the device that can be used to bypass the Google verification. If you had a pattern or password, this will not work for you. If you had a PIN, that's good, it will work. So, going through the setup, when you get to the Wi-Fi connection page, which is right here, instead of connecting to Wi-Fi, which if you had a pattern or password, you will need to connect to it. If you try to skip it, it will tell you that for verification purposes, connect. If you had a PIN like I do, you should be able just to skip it like I just did. Now, the reason I mentioned that this is right after a reset that I did right before, which is also recorded, so if you're interested, you can see that how I gone through it. I just want to point it out that this device would normally be locked, but the reason I'm not showing you that it's locked, which I would normally do, is because the method does not work once I connect to Wi-Fi network. I would need to factory reset the device. So if you connect to network, which let me just go back, if I would select to connect to something, which I think I can still do just to show you, you've seen that I did skip it, so let's see if this will allow me to lock it. So, not sure if it's going to be locked or not now that I went a step further, but I guess we'll find out. So once you connect to Wi-Fi, you have no way of forgetting it. Therefore, you have no way of setting up the device in offline mode, which the only way left for you is to basically factory reset your device. So you turn it off, you hold power key, volume down, select your language, and then select format data, and you're back in the setup screen after a couple minutes, and then you want to skip it. And will it tell me to verify? Like I mentioned before, you see me select the skip button and it did function. So once you skip it, you can just go through the entire setup of the device. Now there's one last thing that I would recommend doing there, which is performing a factory reset of the device through settings. Now, unfortunately, by selecting skip, it automatically unlocked the device, so even after connecting to Wi-Fi, it did not show me the login page, which I was actually hoping that it would. But nonetheless, hopefully that explained the method clearly. So yeah, anyway, assuming you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let me just finish this setup right here really quickly. Don't judge me by the Bing search. There we go. And thanks for watching.